This program stands out for students because we have faculty that actually care about our students and their success. We don't think of them as just numbers of students we want to push through. We care about their personal successes, their failures, their ability to overcome those challenges, and we help them through the process. To help students apply what they learn in real life situations, we have a pretty fancy simulation center that has both mid, low, and high fidelity mannequins. We bring in case studies into all of our classrooms to help them apply what they've learned. We also send our students to clinical sites all around the KC Metro with a variety of different acuity levels and different patient populations. We incorporate education without limits into our teaching philosophy by ensuring that all of our students have what they need to be successful. If they don't have what they need, we look for resources in order to help them. This might be textbook resources or a free tutor that we have on campus, anything that they need to be successful.
Our professors are here almost every day. We're only in 3 days a week, and every day that we are in those 3 days, our professors are there. They have open doors, they are happy to, and we really encourage each other and support each other.
I chose Avila's nursing program due to how small the cohort is. I just didn't want to feel like I was just lost in where the professors don't get to know you, they don't hardly know your name.
Makes learning a lot easier for me when someone really loves what they're teaching about and wants to share the information.
The main reason I chose this program is because I actually had a big brother that graduated the same program here. So it was just, I heard nothing but great things, great environment, teachers that actually care. It simply is mainly teaching me that it's a big jump from like your typical schooling, right? Like you're not just going to be able to like get by with minimal studying. That's more than likely not going to be the case now. So I would say it just definitely teaches you to just bring more out of yourself.
So far, the most impactful experience to me is just the environment this classroom and the school has. It's unlike any other environment I've seen before. We all genuinely care for each other. We all want to see each other succeed, and we all want to see each other on that finish line, and the teachers and staff especially really care, and it's just one of the most caring programs I've actually been in.
The most rewarding part of being a professor at this program is to watch the students grow throughout the program and see how they come from just knowing a little bit about sciences to really becoming a caring and compassionate nurse.